Good morning, children. Now this is 10th class social studies. This is the 15th lesson, National Liberation Movements in the Colonies. Okay, so in the previous class also I said about this lesson. In this lesson we discussed about mainly three countries. What are the three countries? Here, China, Vietnam and Nigeria. Now children, here China, Vietnam belongs to Asia continent countries. Nigeria belongs to Africa continent countries. Okay, so here who are the prominent leaders in these three countries? What are the main parties in these three countries? Okay, now I want to explain to you once again in brief. Look at this. Here, China, it belongs to Asia continent. It is our neighboring country. Okay, so in China, Manchu dynasty was ruled this China. That is why Sun Yat-sen came. Actually, he studied in missionary Christian school. He studied medicine, but he started one revolution against that dynasty. So his main purpose is to dethrone the Manchu dynasty, and he want to establish a democratic type of government in his country. So he proposed three principles. First one is San, second one is Min, third one is Chui. San means nationalism, Min means democracy, Chui means socialism. Okay, so he want to dethrone the Manchu dynasty from that, and he wants to establish a democratic type of government in his country. After his period, one great revolution occurred in China. What was that great revolution here? This is May 4th movement. It started in China. Okay, the Chinese people, they performed rallies against one Versailles peace treaty, because in that verse, according to Versailles peace treaty, China did not get to what are the territories lost. So that is why in 1919 the people of China started this movement. After one, here China, two main parties are there. What are the two main parties? KMT party and CCP party. Even in our country also we have two national parties. First one is Congress party, second one is BJP party. So these two parties are ruling our country. Likewise, in China also we can see here two main parties. The first one is KMT party, second one is CCP party. This CCP party started in 1921. Next one, after Sun Yat-sen, Chiang Kai-shek came as leader. Chiang Kai-shek, he said about women four virtues. What are the four virtues here? Chastity, appearance, speech and verb. So he said about women about these four virtues. But Chiang Kai-shek was a conservative. He did not re-establish or redistribute the land to the peasant. So that is why the people did not support his rule. Again, another leader came. What his name? Mao Zedong. So his desire is to abolish landlordism in China. He wanted to distribute the land to the who are the real peasants in China. Next, he wanted to abolish food binding in China. He wanted to look after the welfare of the women. That means marriage system, divorce system, equality, etc. So that is why many people supported Mao Zedong. So he started one rally, that is Long March, between 1934 to 1935. It was succeeded. Okay. Next one, People's Republic of China government started in 1949. Next one, after this, they abolished polygamy in his country. Polygamy means what? So one man can marry several women. One man can marry several women without permission of that woman. So that system was going on before Mao Zedong's government. Okay, so after Mao Zedong came, so he abolished polygamy in China. Next one, here only one party is there in China, that is CCP party. That CCP party always selecting one chairman. That chairman is the head of the one. He will rule the country. In China, they cannot invite any other parties. For example, in our country, many parties are there. Even in states also, we can see regional parties. For example, in our AP state, YSRCP and TDP party. In Assam Gana Parshe. Okay. Trinamool Congress in West Bengal. Likewise. But in China, they are only encouraging CCP party and they are not inviting any other parties in to the parliament or assembly. Next, this is about China. So in this China, we saw Sun Yat-sen, Chiang Kai-shek, Mao Zedong. Three important leaders here. Parties are only two, KMT party and CCP party. So that is about China. Next one, this is Vietnam. So Vietnam also belongs to our Asia continent. Okay, it is the neighboring country after our country, Bangladesh, Thailand, Laos, after Vietnam. Okay, so now listen, here Vietnam under the control of French, that is France. So the France government, they followed three strategies or threefold strategy. What are the threefold strategy here? They developed irrigation system and they encouraged landlords and they will provide market system. Okay, so market system. So these three facilities are providing by French government, who are the elites in Vietnam. Okay, so but here the French government taking benefit, they are taking the wealth of the Vietnam, but really the Vietnamese common people are suffering. That is why Ho Chi Minh came as leader. He started one party, that is Vietnamese Communist Party. What is that party? Vietnamese Communist Party. In the meantime, 1940, Japan occupied Vietnam. So when Japan occupied Vietnam, they had to fight against French government as well as Japan. So in this way they succeeded. Okay. So finally, Ho Chi Minh, he established the government in 1945 September. Okay. Democratic Republic of government formed by Ho Chi Minh in north. But what about the position of the south in Vietnam? This south goes under the hands of one dictator. His name is Ngo Dinh Diem. Ngo Dinh Diem was a dictator who will oppose against him. He simply arrested and imprisoned. That is why people created, who are the South people in Vietnam, another party. That party name is NLF, National Liberation Front. Okay, on behalf of this NLF party, people always trying to unify the south part into north part. Okay, so finally they also succeeded. Now children, here the USA, all USA watching what was going on in Vietnam. We saw already Russia announced their country is communist country. So the Chinese people inspired the communism of Russia. So that is why they also started communism in China. After Vietnam also, they started communist ideology. So that is why USA wanted to suppress the ideology of communism in Vietnam. In this way, they sent many troops over Vietnam. They dropped many powerful bombs. Among them, two are very important bombs. What are the two important bombs here? Napalm. It will kill the human being. Second one is Agent Orange. It will destroy the plant or forest area. Okay. So even though they attacked, but finally in 1974, even the USA civilians they opposed, which is doing over Vietnam. Okay, so that is why finally the troops returned to USA. Okay, children. Next one, peace negotiation occurred in 1974 between USA and Vietnam. Next, children, third country is Nigeria. This Nigeria is in Africa continent. Nigeria. Here, the Nigeria under control of British government. They established in 1861 their rule from Lagos. Okay. Next one, when the people divided this part, here Nigeria means three regions are there, main regions. Hausa Fulani, Igbo, Yoruba. Hausa Fulani, Igbo, Yoruba. These are the three regions of Nigeria. Okay, so they followed divide and rule policy in Nigeria. Who? British government. So that is why Herbert Macaulay he started one party for the use of Nigerian people. That party name is NNDP. What's that party? NNDP in 1923. So in the next elections, this party getting victory. Next one, Namadi Azikiwe. He also started another party. That party name is NYM. Children, here important parties are in Nigeria, NNDP and NYM. But these two parties merged in as one, that is NCNC in 1944, because they fought against British government. So finally British government accepted to give independence. Okay, children. Next one, when they got independence, October 1st, 1963. But this democratic government goes under the hands of military leaders. Okay. Now, children, in 1950s, what happened in Nigeria? Oil was discovered in Nigeria. So when oil discovered in Nigeria, immediately the European again came and established their power and they extracted oil. Okay, that oil company name is Dutch Shell Company. So they destroyed, they polluted the water, environment, they contaminated the water due to the destruction of oil. So that is why people asking, demanding compensation. But the Distell company did not give any compensation to the Nigerian people. That is why one environment activist, his name is Ken Saro-Wiwa. So when he questioned that government executed him. Okay, children. So these are the three countries in this lesson. What are the parties? Who are the leaders? How they got independence, etc. Okay, children. Thank you.